To begin meditation, I'd like you to take a few deep breaths. And with every breath, just hold it for a moment or two, and as you exhale, feel yourself becoming relaxed. And another deep breath, and slowly exhale. And with every breath, find yourself going deeper and deeper into a place of peace, a place of comfort, a place of well-being. The heart of your soul. A place where the Spirit resides. A place where nothing from the world around you, no matter how challenging or how problematic, can get to you. And just be at peace. At peace with yourself, at peace with your life, and at peace with the incredible attributes that you've been given. Each and every one of us is one of a kind. And in Corinthians it tells us every person has a special talent, special attributes, but they all come forth from the same source, and that is God. God provides us everything we need to live a comfortable and fulfilling life, and it's only us that can interrupt that. Nobody else, unless you give them permission. Moving through life is knowing that the experience is not a competitive one. It's not one that should be based on comparisons. It's not a win and lose endeavor, but rather it is a precious soul experiencing life in the physical realm and provided with everything it needs to thrive, to be alive, to experience things that are stimulating. The only requirement is to be at peace with yourself, at peace with the life you're living, and then to help other people feel good about themselves. We all need that. We all need each other. We all need the social interaction. And we all need an outside source of some sort to help us, to support us in feeling good about ourselves. We'll now move into silence. And as we do so, just relax. Don't try to think about anything. Don't try not to think about anything. Every thought that comes into your mind, just observe it. You don't need to get tangled up in it. And just as a cloud passes over the sky, the thoughts will pass through your mind, and you, the observer, just watch. And then move back into a place of thoughtlessness in the silence. We slowly begin to come back, begin to move ourselves out of the meditative state. Then we do so with a sense of lightness, perhaps a sense of joy or a sense of peace. But with the realization, the only responsibility that we have is to be who we were meant to be and live life as it is meant to be lived. We go forward to live this day with a peaceful mind, a peaceful heart, and a peaceful spirit. And so it is.
You are God's work of art. You are God's work of art, fashioned to shine with goodness and light. As it was from the start, you were formed by great, great love. You are God's work of art.
Listen to your children pray. Lord, send your spirit in this place. Lord, listen to your children pray. Send us love, send us power, send us grace. Children pray. Lord, send your spirit in this place. Lord, listen to your children pray. Send us love, send us power, send us grace. Something's gonna happen like the world has never known when the people of the Lord get down to pray. And the walls gonna swing open and the walls come a-tumbling down when the people of the Lord get down to pray. Children pray. Lord, send your spirit in this place. Lord, listen to your children pray. Send us love, send us power, send us grace. People say